Hi everyone, welcome back to Jewelry Making Fun collaboration hosted by Dahlia Designs Jewelry and More, aka Deb Hoke. So for the month of September, we're supposed to use the colors olive, cream, stone blue, teal, and dark green. So in my mind, I was like, well, in my mind it was blank, completely blank. No thought, no rhyme, no reason for anything. I couldn't think of a thing that like something I wanted to do. And of course, we had two other challenges that we could do. I can't wire wrap. I've tried it, not the best. I'm going to keep trying it, but I didn't try it this time. And then Deb was like, maybe you could make a set, wire wrap set. So I couldn't think of anything. Anyway, this is a piece of jewelry that I purchased from somewhere, and it's the color of stone blue. First of all, the colors don't match what I think in my head the color should have been. Because teal, in my imagination, is green and blue together. It's like turquoise, but the colors weren't teal that on the card that we use. So yeah, but they have variations. Not that I'm complaining. That's not what I'm saying at all. It's just reopen or open my mind to what different colors were. Because cream in my head is like a yellow, off yellow, right? And olive is a dark green. Well, or light green. Like this right here is olive color in my opinion, but it's also lime green. It's also yellow green. Anyway, and like this could be a version of teal, right? So I like that we had those little color charts because it just opens me up to seeing more. Anyway, I use this stone blue, belaboring this conversation. They're gonna be like, do you know your colors? I do. Reggie Biv. And then inside of here, I used, no glare please, this little olive green, and I made some earrings. Now, I did a process of earrings. I went through an evolution of earrings, if you will. They all are the exact same earring. I was actually going to make a few of the same earrings because you know what I haven't did in a long, forever, ever. Made like 10 pair of the exact same earrings. Never have I done that. But anyway, this is our first pair. No, it's not. This is our second pair. Is it? Let me see. No, this is our first pair that we made. So what I did is I took an eye pen and I just did teal, blue, teal, green, blue, green, and I connected them. I thought it would be interesting to see them all come together. How in my mind it worked. This is our second pair of earrings. And you see the process, like it got a little bit longer and then it got short. I've made earrings like this before, but I've made all of these earrings, but never the same earring back to back to back. I'm gonna have to try that next time I make earrings. So yeah, these are mine. This is what I made. These are the colors that I choose. You only need to pick two colors out of the 4 to 5 colors that you get. And I chose green or olive and stone blue. So click on the description box, see what everyone else is creating or has created in the collaboration. I'm sure something amazing and wonderful. And Deb, I hope you're having a good time wherever you have decided to go. Until next time, happy crafting.